This is one I'm particularly psyched out of my mind about. This is the Klein Tools. This is a mini ratcheting screwdriver set. I love mini ratcheting screwdriver sets. I love that Klein came out with one in a toolbox. They do make a mini ratcheting driver that I love, but it's not a kit like this. I love things in a little kit because this is compatible with your MODbox stuff. And if you don't have MODbox stuff, well, it's still nice to have because it'll kind of just fit right in your little pocket there. We're just going to open it up and see what's inside real quick. Yeah, I love a good multi-tool. Anyway, let's keep opening this thing. All right, it has a bunch of bits on it. I guess you can pause the video if you want to see what bits it has. Now, this is cool for hanging on a wall, but you can just take it off. How these ones open is a little different than your normal MODbox. So this slides to the side and it stays slid. Normal MODbox stuff snaps to center, but these are tinier guys. Look at this kit. Every stinking kind of bit I never need. These are all impact rated. But this right here, this is your money maker, baby. This is just one of my favorite things in the world. A little ratcheting screwdriver. You change the direction right there. Oh, it's a little tight the first time. It's okay though. We'll put a little square bit through here. Goes right in like that. And then we just got some good leverage to screw something down. Look at that. Now it's a one-way road. You can only go in one side. And something I just noticed in this kit is right here. A little socket adapter with a ball on it. So we could put little 1/4-inch sockets on this thing. That's super handy. I love that this isn't chrome because it feels like it has a little more grip than chrome does. But look at that little socket adapter. I'm always shopping for these. They included it. What a great idea. And then if you do need a little more distance, so you're not right on top of your workpiece, they do give you a little extension. This could be used with a impact driver as well. So if you want to use one of these bits with your impact driver and have a little more reach, these are just regular 1/4-inch bits, by the way. This would go into a 1/4-inch impact driver as well, act as a bit holder. But wait, there's more. If you're rocking a little Klein Tools stubby like I am, this little ratcheting stubby, it works in that thing too. And I don't have it with me, but with these little marks here, I think this will work in one of the resizable ones, but don't quote me on that. But look at that. Works with the little Klein Tools stubby screwdriver too. What a cool little toolkit for all of your little tool needs.